I get this question all the time. Devin, what's the simplest way to build a weekly next up queue so production never waits on idea selection? The easiest version is this. Stop treating your idea bank like your production queue. Those are two different things. Use just 3 buckets: idea bank, next up, and in production. Once a week, you move 3 to 5 videos from idea bank into next up, but only if each one passes this quick readiness check. 1. The topic is clear in 1 sentence. 2. The viewer outcome is clear. What are they getting? 3. The angle is clear, search-driven, trend-driven, or package-driven. 4. There's at least 1 source link, reference, or note so the writer isn't starting from 0. If an idea is missing any of those, it stays in the idea bank. It is not next up. Then here's the rule that keeps production moving. Your team only pulls from next up, never from the raw idea list. That removes decision lag. And set 1 refill trigger. When next up drops below 3 items, you refill it the same day. If you want to manage that handoff cleanly, Satira works well as the workflow layer between idea capture and production. That's the simple system. Separate raw ideas from ready ideas, lock a weekly queue, and refill before it hits empty.